What are you doing, Scotty? Ooh, where's it going? Yay!
Now, hold on. No. Follow me. Okay,
Censored.
now you can come this way.
Oh, not allowed to look at the car? What if
Nope,
I,
not
what
yet.
if I
Not
peek?
yet.
Okay. This is hard for me.
Okay, now I'm going to try and get them both done.
Yes.
That's just plain and simply fucking nasty.
Yeah, before. Yeah.
Okay. Now go to the other side.
Did you do a little...
I did a thing.
You did a little scrubbing while you're
I
waiting?
rubbed something out, Daddy.
While we were waiting for...
And go figure, I moan better than every single fucking bottom I ever fuck.
That's more than I want to know. Wow!
That looks a whole lot better.
Yes.
I want to see if I can tweak it a little bit more, but we don't have enough long bristled brushes that I can clean in between that to make it look really, really good. And wait, ready? Damn, baby! It's in!
All right. Wow. So we're at the point now where we can bleed the brakes.
Technically start bleeding brakes.
All right. Well, the good thing about these is this bench bleeds pretty much on the car by itself. So
Yeah.
Because it's single bowl. All right, so we can do that in a little bit. What other creative amount of shit did you have to do to make this? Because I remember you were grinding or sanding or something.
Well, I don't know if you can see. Come over a little bit more this way. This is to pull the hood.
Yeah, the hood release.
Okay. So if you look real close in there, stop. See that grommet at the firewall?
Yeah.
And how the master cylinder now has an angle on it, and it used to be rounded? Mm-hmm. Well, if you come over to this side of the master cylinder at the bottom,
oh yeah,
it's supposed to look like that, real short, rounded. What did they do? They built it like that.
Yeah.
So if you go back to the other side again, I had to lob all of that off with a grinder.
Oh, fun.
And then file it so that it wouldn't cause any issues and cut anything or anybody, you know. We do look out for other people besides ourselves.
You do?
I didn't. Well, don't give away. I told you. I'm a self-centered, conceited bitch. Oh, wait a minute, that's what my ex-boyfriend told me.
Oh, you are. But anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's all done. All the brakes are ready to bleed.
Yep.
So we can pop that open. Then where are we going?
I'm going to fill this up. Mm-hmm. And I'm going to try and work on the other one. At least maybe get it a little bit better here as well. I mean, just because you don't find these,
these
valve covers. These are stupid rare.
Yes.
So I want to get them in a little better condition so that they look respectable on the car.
Beautiful.
And we'll get it there. Wait.
What else?
Remember you guys couldn't get this back on?
Oh, yeah.
Cleaned, scrubbed, filtered, and back on, baby.
Ready to go.
Yep.
Battery's going to be coming here. We got to move that back.
I got to put the positive line back on it, too.
Yeah.
I did that so I could have more room to work.
Did your motor mounts come in the...
No.
Those sons of bitches.
Nope.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to call them and see where those are, because those are supposed to come with the parking brake cables.
Yep. So
okay,
now...
Cool. That's
actually,
fun.
no. What I need to do is lower the car completely, roll it backwards,
so
open up the driver's side door, and get to the parking brake cable. And we cleaned almost all the windows.
Yes.
I've got front and rear I want to get yet, just because, I mean, if you look in, you can see all the nasty.
It's better. Oh. So, all right, we got to get that parking brake cable. That's going to be your next apartment. I want to find out where our
apartment. I can't live in that little tiny piece.
You could live in there.
All three of these are bigger than what's in there.
Oh my god. Yeah, so you're on the parking brake cable.
Yes.
I'm gonna go find out where the hell our motor mounts are that were supposed to come with the parking brake cables.
And I'm gonna do a little bit more cleaning and wipe things down.
Okay, let's get the parking brake cable.
Hardy.
Let's get the parking brake cable done first.
Steady. Steady.
That's right. Ooh.
You want to make it to 40?
Help!